Time now to take a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. And boy, as promised, winter, at least in some places, has arrived around north central Washington. As we look outside our weather window from this afternoon, yes, this is our Lake Wenatchee camera, and you can see snow has accumulated and did accumulate on the trees this afternoon. Lake Wenatchee back that way, and boy, some heavier snow in the mountain areas, including Stevens and Snoqualmie passes this afternoon. As we get a little closer to home, this is our Orondo camera, and it's looking towards Wenatchee. You can see Turtle Rock, just the base of it right here, and you can also see that rain mixed with snow falling even here in the lower elevations. We talked about it last night, and it did happen this afternoon. As we make our way through today and into tomorrow, we are really keeping our eye on Stevens Pass, where we could see 6 to 10 inches of snow as we get into Wednesday. About 4 to 6 inches of snow possible over Snoqualmie Pass into Wednesday. The good news, if you are waiting until Wednesday to travel, we do just expect a wintry mix tomorrow over Stevens and Snoqualmie passes, and then just rain showers as we get into Thanksgiving with just slightly warmer temperatures. Boy, but the next 24 hours going to be a little bit tricky traveling in the mountains. Today's high temperatures, a cool one, below normal for the first time in a long time. Unofficially only at 36 our high today, our low at 33, so we didn't move up all that much this afternoon. Our normal high temperature is 40 for this time of year, and our record 57 degrees, and that was set in 1962. 29 is our normal low temperature, 2 degrees our record cold, and for the first time in a long time, it's not 1985, it's 1995. At least when I put all the weather stats together, only 1/100th of an inch of rain had fallen at the airport. That now gets us to 4.68 inches of moisture for the year. Sunrise 7:20 and the sun set this afternoon at 4:15. All right, as we get you into tomorrow's weather forecast, temperatures will warm up just a little bit, and I think just enough to turn that rain-snow mix into all rain for us. 41s for Moses Lake, Ephrata, and Quincy. That also goes for Chelan and up into Omak. 40 degrees in Entiat right here in the Wenatchee Valley, as well as Ellensburg, and then mid to upper 30s from Lake Wenatchee into Leavenworth, and also for you folks in Kashmir. Tonight we can expect cloudy skies, about an 80% chance that we will continue to see that rain mixed to snow. It's mainly from that area of low pressure that's bringing that funnel of moisture right into Washington State. Still could see some snow in the mountains tonight. Low temperatures in those lower 30s for your Wednesday. A pretty quiet day, at least during the day. Here's our next storm system. Not much happening in the afternoon, but as we get into the evening hours, that's when we will once again see some rain showers develop. High temperatures Wednesday around 40 degrees. And then for your Thanksgiving, this low moves inland just enough to really bring us a fetch of moisture. The good news, it will be all rain on Thanksgiving, an 80% chance of it. High temperatures again right around 40 degrees, so driving conditions should be okay. And then for Friday, boys, you head home Friday or on the weekend, things look nice. Mostly sunny and warmer. High temperatures in the low 40s for Friday. And pretty much as we get you into the weekend, the same story. And that's good for you folks that are traveling home this weekend. A little bit of a ridge over us on Saturday. That'll bring partly cloudy skies, maybe a few scattered showers in extreme western Washington. Will be just a little bit cooler Saturday with highs right around 40 degrees, and that cool down will continue as we get you into Sunday. But look at that, high pressure over southern Washington will bring very stable weather for Sunday. As I mentioned, a little cooler, high temperatures dropping down into the upper 30s. And then as we kick off our next week on Monday, mostly sunny skies, 1, 2, 3 areas of high pressure keeping us stable on Monday. High temperatures then pretty seasonal, right around 40 degrees. All right, taking a look at your 7-day forecast now, and it's brought to you by Colonial Vista Senior Living in Wenatchee, for comfort, care, and community come together. 33 degrees overnight tonight. Not so much rain during the day tomorrow, but as we get late in the afternoon and into our evening hours, about a 60% chance of the wet stuff. Highs tomorrow about 40 degrees. Thanksgiving, folks, going to be a wet one. Cloudy skies, an 80% chance of rain, and 41. But traveling home after Thanksgiving looks good. Mostly sunny on Friday and 43, and will stay partly cloudy to mostly sunny Saturday right through Monday, with high temperatures in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.